AI is changing everything. Your job, your ads, even the news you watch. Let's get into it. Amazon just dropped something seriously cool. Intelligent audio search powered by their Nova embeddings model. Basically, it converts audio content into vectors so you can search through it semantically. Think finding the exact moment in a podcast where someone mentions a topic without scrubbing through the whole thing. This could be a game changer for content creators and media platforms. Next up, AI models are literally replacing human models now. A new CBS report highlights how major brands are using AI-generated people to advertise products. Some companies are leaning all the way in. Others are pushing back and pledging to keep things real. The big question: will you as a consumer actually care if that face selling you a shirt never existed? And this one stings a little. Goldman Sachs just published research showing that workers displaced by AI aren't just losing jobs. They're losing income for years after. It takes longer to find new work, and when they do land something, the pay is noticeably lower. This is the real economic ripple effect of the AI wave, and we cannot ignore it. That's your AI and tech news for today. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for daily AI news.